Ketenat Mekaraya Tourism haringkat lang bar ketenat polis kilap long ya kecing lang kesingi baar banakan ya kecing Pynkhreh nak bentar Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival kapan stang kesingi tok ding ha Bhoi rembang. Nakaliang Deputy Commissioner kri Bhoi Distrik Arpit Upat Jaya haringkat lang bar USP kri Bhoi ukiri prasad kilai thu bagila Pynkhreh Pura bat kilai yai ru lengba kijingnya trailang bat rukom perkhat ru habaya day bat kawan kalej nekarung kemi ipat ba. Kilai thuru bah kajik Pynkhreh kalayat bej labun kicaka yang kali ke medical camp bat kiwe nek benta ban pelong ke Cherry Blossom Festival ke bajop udisi ula ongru ban benta ban lej ne kajing deheng kali kabor Pynïaid Distrik kalabu kibor yada bat ki volunteer ki bana kathain bat ki bala sya hikai khnang bakan umdon kajing thot kayat ke yang ki kali khamtam hasurok ba hak bay de bakajing don ki kunhun ba persya man pelong ke festival ke sngi ublei nakaliang SP kri Bhoi kiri prasad loong pakam shim ladon kajing persya nama kini lam snong kilawan kendu bat katnat tourism ru kalai kendu bat kila sngutu bay ke pos tang ru lapen kala.
So we are for Cherry Blossom Festival we are fully prepared and we have made a detailed plan of entry and exit for public and also it will be very smooth and we have identified parking places also for coordination also we have a special medical camps and all so we are fully prepared for hosting a very successful Cherry Blossom Festival.
What about traffic arrangements?
Traffic arrangements are already in place. We have a detailed deployment of forces and even within specified parking area also we will have volunteers from the ground and trained volunteers and police constables also will be there. So that also is being taken care of so that there is no disruption of normal traffic on the highway.
So there was report of this GAC trying to disrupt the organizing of this Cherry Blossom Festival. What is the latest status of the opposition? There are some groups that are opposing.
Joint Action Committee.
Okay.
So far, I think regarding to that, there is no opposition because village norms also have met. The concerned departments also have met the concerned members of the JAC, made them understand that this is actually we have skipped the timing also up to 3 o'clock after the church service. So as far as this thing now, there is no open opposition.
We have seen in this particular case, like you have arrested some gentlemen who involved in some kind of
So that is
illegal
nothing related to
activities
do with JAC. It is something case related to extortion in a petrol pump case.
in a petrol pump.
Pump extortion case, yes.
Any more
what's
No, nothing in that case.
and what's the latest now? The case
So that case is now the case of Iskasi Hills. So
in
he has
Iskasi Hills?
Yes. So this is a Laban case, and actually the police have registered and then arrested him, and now he's in the judicial custody. This is also related to extortion in Iskasi Hills.
So there are two cases. You mean one in
Yes,
Bhoi
yes.
and
One in Iskasi Hills.
So just coming back to Cherry Blossom, how many personnel are being deployed or in place? So that like, do you have sufficient manpower to?
Yes, we have sufficient manpower, and mainly the peak hours is in night time, especially after 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock till permission is given to 12. So that is the peak time where more members the crowd is expected. So that time we have enough force required.
And also those who will be performing like. I think this will come from the organizer. They'll be flying in directly to Umroi Airport, or what's the arrangement?
Which artists are you speaking to?
For all the artists.
No, they'll be flying into Guwahati Airport because they have better carriers, and then from there we'll be using the chopper.